Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's check this one out. This one's called Streamcoin, all-in-one live streaming on a blockchain-based platform. Get your audience growing and earn more. So this is pretty interesting considering, I am a YouTuber. I got my Telegram, I got my Twitter. So this is something that we should all look into, not just those who are influencers, but everybody should look into. So stream in one click and go live on multiple platforms. That is pretty epic right there. I'm going to just say that right off the top. If you could stream off of one and then it's going to go live on all the platforms, that was solid right there. Okay, we got the ecosystem. Explore Streamcoin's ecosystem and learn how you can monetize your videos efficiency with the use of blockchain technology. This is smart right here. I like this. Okay, I think it's MeTalk or MyTalk, depending on how you say it. It's all-in-one live streaming platform. Here, you will be able to live stream your content while earning STRM coins from viewers. MeTalk or MyTalk also features simulcasting. So multiple casting off of one platform. So while you're going live on this one, it'll go live on all your platforms. So that's a whole new word. That's simulcasting. So that's pretty nice. Casting on more than one at the same time. So we got store on MeTalk wallet. Okay, so Streamcoin also has a native digital wallet named MeTalk wallet. This wallet will be used to send, receive, and hold the stream tokens, STRM. It also supports other cryptocurrencies as well as staking for additional profits. This can be big. I'm telling you guys right now. I went to the Telegram. It's live. Shout out to the community. If you're part of the Streamcoin, I need you guys to load this up with comments and show your guys' volume right now because you guys are live up in the Telegram. I'm going to be in the Telegram after I drop this video. I want to see those who are on my channel asking questions about Streamcoin and see what's up, okay? Okay, earn STRM rewards. As a video creator, you can have a number of ways to earn rewards from your content within the MeTalk platform. Aside from earning STRM tokens from viewers, you can also mint your video as an NFT and sell on our exclusive. That's epic right there. Okay, you guys got me. That's epic right there. That's pretty smart right there. I like this connection that's going on right now. This is something that I'm interested in personally. So this is something I'm definitely going to keep looking into. We got connecting more viewers globally. MeTalk intends to offer an all-in-one live streaming platform that is based on blockchain technology. The goal is to connect globally in one click and one platform. I like this. I like this a lot. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited. Okay, we got multi-platform streaming. Start streaming with us now. Choose your favorite stream. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is so smart. Shout out to whoever came up to this. Shout out to the team being able to stitch this all together. This was very, very smart right here. I like this a lot. This is something that I'm interested in. So if you're part of the team or part of the community, if you guys need some help with this, I got a couple platforms. I TikTok, I got my Twitter. This is a way that we can do a lot of different things and get everybody tapped in at the same time. This is awesome. Link platforms in one place. Okay, so we got MeTalk connects international platforms around the world, providing one go-to place for users to stream and watch anytime, anywhere. Receive streams. Get customized alerts when viewers send you stream. Earn while you watch. Users can earn stream while watching their favorite creators. So that's pretty cool. I'm not going to lie that you could actually earn while watching. So that's something like those who are familiar with Brave browser or whatnot, for ads and anything to do with that. So that's pretty epic that they have that implemented. We have Stream NFT Marketplace. Live stream can also immortalize their most unforgettable and cam moments through their own very own Stream NFT Marketplace. With a click of a button, you can turn your video into NFT and sell it to your fans for STRM tokens. That's pretty cool because I can sell my courses, my NFT course, and also my technical analysis course. I could sell it on there as an NFT, and you guys can use it however you want. You guys can resell it. You guys can do whatever you guys want with it. That's pretty epic. If you're interested in those courses, I highly advise you get my money bag alerts. That gets you the courses half off and stuff. My money bag alerts lets you know what plays I'm jumping into. Like this one, this is definitely a money bag alert right here. Explore NFTs by category. Browse through scores of videos on our NFT marketplace through the preferred category. You can buy and sell these NFTs with royalties paid to the creator Who knows? One of your videos, NFTs today, could become extremely valuable in the future. That is epic. I like this. So shout out to the team and everybody who put this together. We got real research. Companies can use Streamcoin as the cryptocurrency incentive to real research users after completing their surveys. Through this, millions in real research app users will have access to STRM, leading to a greater market adoption. I could see that very easily. Obtain stream rewards. Companies can use Streamcoin as one of the cryptocurrency incentives. Okay, so we got this. We got this basically again in a different way. Okay, so this one's different a little bit. We got incentives to real research users after completing their surveys. With this, STRM tokens will become attainable even outside live streaming platforms, MeTalk. So that's pretty cool. So it's going to be used, across this board right here. This is a lot right here that they can get tapped into, where we can live stream on a lot of different platforms all at once. This is amazing. Okay, so let's see what we got right here. This is the roadmap. So we're already on 2022. So let's go forward a little bit. Let's see what we got. We got Streamcoin partnership with Real Research app. We have public ICO launch, which is going to be happening February 1st. That should have already happened, right? So we're moving along. We got prepare listing stream on global crypto exchange. Start NFT minting function. We should have this is for May, and then this is for April right here. Okay. We should have like check marks and stuff to let us know what's already been done. Like that, when people are new, they know what's going on. Streamcoin blockchain. The Streamcoin blockchain connects streamers and viewers directly. By utilizing blockchain technology, users and streamers can send and receive donations without worrying about paying very high third-party transaction fees and slow speeds. You can stream to your favorite streamers wherever you are. With blockchain, you can easily reach each other and communicate directly because there are no intermediaries, and you can enjoy the benefits of peer-to-peer interaction with streamers. That is pretty epic. So like that, we don't got people, taking a percentage of our money. We can get paid in stream tokens. So I want you guys to come check this one out. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. We're going to be in the Telegram after this, so let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys can't do that, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.